Hello guys, I am Harjeet. Today we are going to do block nail art. The products that I am going to use are, I am going to use different colors, orange, a purple, a green, red and a yellow. Striping brush, acrylic black color and a top coat. I will use 5 different colors randomly and drop them on the nail. Now I am going to create blocks with a striper brush and an acrylic black color. And to seal it, finally the top coat. Now this is a complete look of the block nail art. Hope creating block with different colors was fun. Keep liking and sharing our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.